So I'm in the allotment today again, another warm one. Haven't had rain now for I think probably about a month. But I thought I'd do a little video because I'm going to pull this potato plant here. Two reasons to do the video. The first is to let you know sort of when potato plants are ready to be pulled. And the second one is also to tell you that you don't need huge big containers to grow your potatoes in. I mean, these are early, so obviously with your main crop you do need a bigger container, but this is only a 12-inch container here, 12 inches across the top and probably about 30 to 40 centimetres tall. Now it's packed with goodness, it's got a mixture of, I think, manure and compost at the time when I put that in, and there's really not much soil in there at all, and I'm hoping to get a decent little harvest here from this plant. So you don't need the huge containers, to grow your potatoes. You can grow them in pretty much any container as long as it's sort of at least 30 centimetres deep. So I know this is ready to be pulled. It's got one little flower on there, but sometimes depending on the variety they don't flower at all. But you can see from the bottom that it's really starting to turn yellow. So that's the best sort of telltale sign that it's ready to be pulled. Also on the bag when you planted them gives you a good indication, but it does depend on sort of weather and your soil and how often you water them and things like that. So the plant will tell you when it's ready to be pulled, so basically with the especially the earlies and well, the main crop as well, when they start to turn yellow, that's the best sign that you should be harvesting them. So hopefully you can see, hopefully I've angled the camera correctly. I'm just going to give it a gentle pull, see what happens. So yes, the whole thing's going to come out. So I mean, the beauty of growing potatoes is you're never quite sure what's going to come until you actually pull them out. So that's a good sign. It's a decent potato there. So just gently break away the soil. Put that over. Put that in here. Gently breaking away. So yeah, there we have it. Not huge, but certainly enough for a decent meal. And I've got loads more to pull as well, so yeah, pretty happy with that overall. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, thanks, bye.